Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Amir Khan again with a new video. In today's video, we are going to discuss what is stored procedure in SAP HANA, when do we use it, and also demonstrate a real-time scenario by creating a stored procedure. We also see how to call a stored procedure and the purpose of calling the stored procedure. And finally, we will see how to select the data uh, of a stored procedure. Okay. As I said in one of my earlier videos, a stored procedure is used to group SQL statements into a single block. Whenever we create a stored procedure, inside the stored procedure, we have a select statement or insert statement or group of SQL statements together. So this is what the stored procedure is, and whenever we call that stored procedure, those statements get executed. Okay, yeah. The set of SQL statements and the logic that is used to perform some specific tasks are stored in SQL stored procedure. Yeah, inside the stored procedure, we have several SQL statements or at least single SQL statement, and also we have some specific task or logic that is performed. Okay, so so we understand what is stored procedure here, and now we are going to see when do we use it. Whenever we create a stored procedure, right? So that stored procedure can be leveraged or can be used in the reporting. Reports can understand the stored procedure, and whenever we adopt or use that stored procedure, we can access everything which is there in the stored procedure. Okay, fine. It is used when we would like to update, insert, delete, or perform some specific logic upon calling the stored procedure. Upon calling the stored procedure, some insert or delete, or if we want some of these operations to be performed, we can achieve it by creating a stored procedure. And also, stored procedure can be used into the reporting. We can use that stored procedure in the reporting. We can make use of it. Okay, I think by this we got some idea on what is stored procedure and how and when do we use it. Now I am going to create a stored procedure. I'll tell you the scenario what I had it in my previous projects, and I'll relate this example or this create procedure statement here. Okay, so the first thing is, I had a requirement. What I had a requirement is, I had a table product in which I had a product number and product name and also region code. In region code I had some APAC or UK or KSA or something like that. But what customer wants is, whenever this they see UK, it should be United Kingdom. Whenever they see the APAC, they should see Asia Pacific, and so on. So that field was not coming from the source system, so that could be achieved using a case statement. So that is it. So that is what it is. So how can we create a procedure? Create procedure, name of the procedure, as between begin and end we write our select statement or logic or whatever it is. So what I have written is, I am selecting product number and product name and writing a case. When region code is APAC, region code is coming from the source system. When region code is APAC, then it should be Asia Pacific. If it is US, then it should be United States, and so on. When it is UK, it's United Kingdom. When it is KSA, then it is Saudi Arabia. If it is not from any of the four above region codes, I have written the else part. The else part gets executed and I get the value as other. So this United Kingdom or Saudi Arabia, all these values are stored in a new field or new column, that is I have defined as region underscore disk description. Okay, so these first product number and product name and these fields are taken from product table, so from schema name dot product table. So this is how we basically create our stored procedure. This is how we can achieve if we want to create a new column on fly and perform some case statements, like when some field region code is APAC, then Asia Pacific, and so on. So if you want to perform this kind of some operations, we can go with case when. It's a very strong keywords case when. yeah, so we can achieve many things in using the case statement. I have achieved a lot of things in my project using the case, so just focus on this, how we can use it or relate it in our real project tasks. So this is how we create it. So it have a select statement, right? It may have multiple set of select statements or insert and all. So just to demonstrate this, I have mentioned or maintain only one select statement. Okay, this is how we create it. How do we call the procedure? We use the call keyword, call space procedure name, with parenthesis open and close. And whenever we execute this call statement, our procedure get executed, and the statement, the SQL statements inside the procedure gets executed. And whenever we select the values from the procedure, like select star from procedure name, so we get the updated values or records which is there in the table. Okay, this is how we select it, the procedure. Upon the selecting the procedure, the values are displayed at the output according to the script written inside the procedure. If the procedure is hitting some table, it will go to the table and brings the data upon the condition which we have written inside the procedure. When do we call the procedure? To update the, or to execute the select, to execute the statements present in the procedure. Okay, this is how it is. The syntaxes I have given it, and I have given one real-time scenario. So this should be definitely like helpful for you if you are dealing with scripted calculation view or stored procedure or table functions. Okay, so hope this video makes sense, and this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.